Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Canned corned beef recipe ideas. Canned corned beef is a popular ingredient for breakfast. Simply slice and fry the beef in a skillet and serve with eggs, grits, potatoes, rice, or whatever. Canned beef is great on a simple sandwich. Sear beef slices in a skillet and eat them on white bread with plenty of mustard.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The only upside to canned corned beef hash is it is canned already cooked through, so you can technically eat it without cooking it. Though, it is usually recommended that you heat it and brown it, otherwise it is not going to be good. 7 August 2020.
Take our lead.
What are the best canned corned beef brands? Chef Mate corned beef hash. This canned corned beef is the one that you can eat once after you open the can, without having to cook it. Libby's corned beef, Hormel corned beef, Armour Star corned beef, Ox and Palm corned beef, Iberia corned beef. The 21st of January 2021.
Take our lead.
This canned beef is super tasty to use in recipes, too. Just like other canned meats, canned corned beef is almost always already cooked and was vacuum cooked in its can and once cooled, are ready to eat. 9 April 2020.
Take our lead.
Turn the key clockwise, keeping a slight upward pressure, until you have worked your way around the whole can. Hold the can over a plate or chopping board and carefully bend back the bottom of the can. Gently squeeze the can to release the corned beef.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why it's called corned beef? It's actually pretty simple. Corned beef got its name from the dry curing process used to preserve the meat. A slice of beef was covered in corns, large, coarse pellets of salt, which would draw out the moisture and prevent the growth of bacteria.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.